Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice of the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020.
Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see the title of the video, I am very excited. I just got my lights that I ordered from Lighting Trends. Man, I am freaking excited. Let me show you guys those lights. So the main reason why I'm very excited for this mod I'm gonna do to the car is because it's one of the first cosmetic mods that I'm doing. As you guys know, I've mainly been focusing on performance, getting the Mustang as fast as possible. But let me show you guys the stock headlights. So as you guys can see, these are the stock headlights right now. The only thing I have is this vinyl wrap. I got this one from Lux Auto Concepts. This is a carbon fiber texture to it. So it basically just blocks the amber thing that's over here, kind of ugly. And I also have one right here for the side marker. As you guys can see, this one I believe was orange, and then I just, that just made it look a little bit better. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I got the lights from Lighting Trends that are gonna make these three right here change colors, and I also got a halo that's gonna go in here. So I got the lights I got are Rgbw. So Rgbw are gonna pretty much have all the colors looking pretty good, but the colors are not gonna be able to move around. So that's gonna be the Flow series where the colors can move around. You can have like let's say you have like a pink and then it's moving around, and then like a blue comes in behind it and it comes up. So those are the Flow series, but I didn't get those. I wanted to see how the Rgbw are gonna look like. Because that's the one most people have, which I'm okay with. I found this guy on Instagram that makes custom ones for the side marker right here, because they don't sell them, for the installation for this. You gotta get them custom done. But enough talking and showing you the headlights. Let me show you guys the lights that I got. So these right here are the halos. I'm just gonna give you guys a sneak peek. These are the halos right here. There's two of them, driver and passenger. Make sure that there's no water on the car. It's been raining a lot in Houston lately. And then these right here are the DRL boards for the three lights I showed you guys in the headlight. So these are the DRL boards. There's gonna be three boards. Each board controls one light. So pretty cool. So these are gonna be very bright too, so I am very excited. I can pick any color I want. That's just the splitter for it. Stay tuned guys, I'm gonna make an installation video. So if you guys wanna do this at home by yourself, I'm gonna make a video. I'm not gonna do it myself, I'm gonna have another guy do it for me. But I'm gonna record everything that he does. So DRL boards for driver and passenger, all the wiring, and they call them drivers. So those are all the drivers. And then we have more drivers right here. So we have drivers for the halos and drivers for the DRL boards. And then this is the Bluetooth controller right here. So again, I got this from Lighting Trends. And I am very excited. I can't wait to get this on the car. I'm gonna get this installed over the weekend. So by next week, I'll make a video, the installation video and also the review, so you guys can see. But I am excited. Like I said, one of the few cosmetic mods I'm gonna get done to the car. I wish they made color changing ones, taillights. I know that's like super illegal, but that would have been amazing guys. If you can have this change any color you want, orange, blue, green, purple. Yeah, those are pretty cool. The Euro taillights actually have the orange and red lights, so I might end up getting Euros. Comment down below if you like the Euros and think I should get them. Definitely a good addition to this. I can have them orange instead of the red lights, so which is pretty cool. Of course, braking has to be red, but like signaling can be is orange with the Euros. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. Just showing you guys what is coming to the car. The new lights are gonna be looking amazing. So like I said, stay tuned for the installation video. That's gonna be dropping early next week, but I'm definitely gonna have, you know, other videos in between today and, you know, by Monday next week. So definitely check out my videos, stay tuned for them. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.